your password?
Oh, come on, even that's not that. It can't be that complicated. Let's just use our heads. Password clue. Favorite child? Ooh. Ouch. Sorry, man. This is awkward.
Really? This moment is so much bigger than me. I would like to thank my parents and my manager.
Well, if it's not you and it's not me, then who could the favorite child be?
You just waste time on our
Anais! Who would that favorite child be if it wasn't me or Darwin?